Another day, another day of Heroes, Battlegrounds, update Jet Engine. Let's go. Hey, what's good with you boys? We're back with another video of second day of Dart 2. That other video was kinda a little bit good. But anyways, if you see that video, made sure to show you an update came out, Jet Engine. I'm going to show you that today, and we're going to just chill and not do nothing today, because I just want to showcase this. And let's see, and nothing goes wrong, right? Of course, there's gonna be something wrong. What doesn't? Well, we have Dart 10 back in the game. I thought you never came back. Unless we're going to make this as a challenge of Dart 10. Whoever wins will be the #1 hero of Jet Engine. The loser is you cannot use Jet Engine for 24 hours. And I know. You want to challenge me, Dart 10? Alright, so we're gonna have to take turns to play the game, okay?
1 hour later.
I'm going to prove him wrong, White Diamond. I'm going to be the #1 hero of Dart 10. Now, where is he right now? Wait, oh, I think he's in the ghost mode. So, we ain't gonna talk about that. I have no words. So, yeah, no. Ha, you failed. Could never be me. I'm going to win this hero Jet Engine, and I will be the #1 hero today, right now. And I'll prove you wrong. I am better than you. Now it's my turn. ha 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 ha. I won. GG's, Dark 10. You only have 1 kill. That's a record right there. Record to be losing. Ha 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 ha. And I won the game. So you cannot use Jet Engine for 24 hours. How does that feel about you, Jet Engine? White Diamond, this is not over. We're still continuing, and I will get my revenge. To #1 hero, if you comment down below, I will do this again with another power in my Heroes Battlegrounds, and I will take the win. Okay? And I'm about to eat some ice cream with White Diamond. Bye!